Hey there, truck enthusiasts! Welcome back to Vehicle School. Today, we've got a common issue that many Ford F150 owners might face, the check brake system warning preventing your truck from starting. Don't worry, we've got you covered with some DIY fixes to get you back on the road. Let's dive in. Point 1. Brake fluid issue. Low or contaminated brake fluid can trigger the check brake system warning. Let's fix that. Remember to inspect brake pads, discs, and calipers for wear and tear. Once done, test brake responsiveness and check for warning lights. Point 2. Wire harness issue. It can wear out due to movement and pressure, causing various warning lights and preventing your truck from starting. Let's fix that. Make sure to secure the harness using zip ties to prevent movement. Point 3. Faulty electrical pins. Corrosion in electrical pins can wreak havoc on your F-150, triggering service advance track and check brake system alerts. Let's fix that. After cleaning and greasing, reconnect the plugs securely. Point 4. Connector issue. A faulty connector near the e-brake can disrupt communication between systems, leading to alerts and a refusal to start. Let's fix that. Ensure a proper connection and check for any remaining dashboard alerts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more DIY car fixes, and hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.